If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 to 11, we dey carry on the topic where they comot smoke inside Nigeria politic arrangements. Drop am as e dey hot, so that you sef go talk your mind inside the matter, and those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. Remember wetin we dey talk. This program na the only democracy wey dey on top of television, because na the voice of the people, and we go continue to dey raise our voice until they hear am and take the necessary action. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e dey concern any politic matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our viewers who don't carry the program come again now. Wait a minute, the program Ask It Dey Hot. And also now with this surprise, say this one with this gentleman, that is especially me, will be gentleman. This one will dress like this. What will happen today? We know over time since this government don't come into place, we don't hear different commendation on one particular sector, which is the power sector. People don't talk say yes, so say power don't improve. Say they don't try. Even in the heat of say power improve, we do also hear say the rate at which this same power people they increase money. Say just like say then the Usain Bolt. That is Usain Bolt, they fly, that is overwhelmingly, they give out bill the way they like. So these are the issues we won't do it in, we won't look into. And also, now as we will take at least present them to now, will be our viewers. So that at least government where the leaders go, no say yes, issues of this, of like this, they're supposed to do it, they're supposed to chook eyes inside that. We go open our phone lines to also do it, for to also contribute. When that time reach, yes, and me also be in mind, so we get 3 solid telephone line for now and 1 toll-free line. The program never changed. The program has the hot. And my name is Nkubi.
We don't hear the voice of our people when we say, they don't they cry out, say, the way when situation there for their areas, it take consign power. Say you get the way when it's in BO. We can't talk at me and say, we know they jump into conclusion. We go conduct our investigation, and on that special day, we go discuss the topic. Talk them as it is hot, so that those who the matter concern go hear the voice of Nigerians and take the necessary action. But before we delve into all of that, it go very, very important, make we water the ground first. Everybody knows, say, waiting the rain for Nigerian, the top of our politics, now ministerial screening. Based on, say, Oga President don't bring people when we say talk, say they go work with them. And as the thing they like this, out of the 36 names when he submit, they don't screen 31 people. Now 5 now he remain. And Nigerians mind don't come out on top of the screening because of say 2 people when we say people they talk say make we see as their screening go. They don't do their own. They don't pass anything screening. One person don't even get confirmation. We they wait for Rotimi Amechi. But the question we're going to ask now is say after screening and government don't give these people portfolio, that is office where they go occupy. Now work go start. We go take all this work them one by one. Bring expert on top of facilities, make it come chook mouth inside. And the first one we'll go start with today. If you now see our uniform, even though if you now look my own, I go see say I wear uniform as a respecter of as a worker. When get respect, my uniform I iron am. I carry my work tool come. It can't be like say Nkubi just wake up. And he wake up very, very late. Make it not be like saying no come office.
I carry my own work tool self. Come, Chukudi, no come they mention work tool here. I get my my butter for leg. I wear my the overall, and I carry my glove just to protect myself from anything that has to do with electrical appliances. At least that this one will take work.
Nkubi.
The bag where you carry, I don't know what you put there, but at least the only bag I see where they visible now. But the point be say, Chukudi, just as you talk, no, just carry.
Shame no even they catch you. You say you carry your work tool. What is a work tool?
This is part of a work tool.
Hey.
This is part. Not be until we carry spanner, carry screwdriver, carry belt, we will take climb pole. Not be all those ones. This one is also a tool.
Nkubi, what is work? Nkubi, what is tool? Nkubi, what is work tool?
Chukudi, all join.
You say you wear butter. Are you supposed to be wearing butter? When your mate wear uniform, wear boots.
Look.
Wear boots.
If you say your name is Chukudi, make mistake. Remove your shoe. This is your boot to be like, I don't know what I describe them as. Go say you want put hand for light or go they do light. Make you see whether you and light be friend. If light don't treat you, give you the kind of treatment where you deserve, you go no say yes. This word, all day. So only one it be.
What do you consign I dey talk so.
No. You are talking.
Why you go say make I go touch? Why you go say make I go touch light?
Shebi say shoe no dey relevant, boot no dey relevant.
Who say boot no dey relevant?
Remove your boot, make you go touch light.
Why you no wear factory boot? Why you wear like say you go party?
All join. Chukwu, it is none of your business.
Allow us to face today's topic.
No, you start up the argument.
Because when they talk say Nigerians they complain about power, you don't begin the already the open on another topic where we never even
open. Talk what you want to talk about and don't say what talk. We just come because they stutter. What you stutter for? Respect yourself. It is too early for us to start arguing.
Our people went there for house. It gets one gist when come out this week when shock plenty people. Inside Delta State for Nigeria, they talk say for Anioma and Oshimili area. Very big community. Say they never take their eye, see light for 7 years.
Now 6 be
7 years.
7 years.
They never see light for 7 years.
That is total blackout for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
very
years.
very this one a very very serious
right
issue.
About now make we pause because we won't quickly do it, we won't quickly go ginger, know what they happen for outside. We'll go for this break. Will they come?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.